Okay, today I have LK-500-ZB amplifier. It uses a pair of 3-500Zs. They're iMac tubes, and it runs about, let's see, it's got about 3,000 volts on the plate. So that is the voltage right there, and I'm going to tune it up for you in 40 meters. So let me tune that back to grid, and I'll turn this to transmit, and I'll go ahead, and I've got a watt meter up on top. We'll look at that right about there. Should be able to see everything. Okay, so we're just going to start out with a really little bit of a low drive here, and then we'll adjust it back and forth with the tune and load and see what we can get. Should be able to get about 1100 watts on CW. Okay. We're only driving it with about 25 watts right now. I'll go to, that's about 50 watts. And we're getting about 700 watts out. Increase it a little bit more. Just the load. And then dip the plate, and we're almost to 1,000. Okay, right there's about, we're driving it with just about 100 watts there, and you can see we're getting about 1100, a little over 1100 watts, and we've got about 200 milliamps on the grid right there, which is perfect, and we're running about 700 milliamps. So we could actually drive it a little bit, it could handle about 120 watts probably. But right there we're getting a little over 11, almost 1200 watts out on key down. And I'll switch to single sideband here, and I'll just key it and talk into the mic. Testing, well, let me switch it over here to peak, it reads better. Testing 1 2 1 2 3 4. Testing 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4. Testing 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4. So there you see what we're doing on a single sideband. PEP is about 1100 watts. And that's it for the great LK-500-ZB. It's all tuned up and ready to go. So thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed the little short video.